How to process a third-party funding. From the main menu, select C200 Customer Deposit Third-Party Financing. At the bottom, click Enter Go. This will display the customer's financing information screen. At the top, Sales From, I will go ahead and click and enter the date that I will be processing my funding. So I will select January the 1st, click 2, select today's date, click where it says All, and select Unpaid. Click Finance Company, select the company that you will be processing your funding. I will go ahead and click Synchrony, click OK, Save, Exit, and click Display Results. These will display the sales from January the 1st to the 19th that are unpaid and are from Synchrony. So here we have $57,865 with 9 cents that have yet to be funded. I will go ahead and click Funding, and this will display all the accounts. So I will select the first one at the top, click Edit. This will show the customer's account, invoice, the date it was purchased, the finance company, which is Synchrony, the approval number. The sale amount is $1,646. They have the discount of 2%, and their program code is 112. So there's a discount of $32.92. So the amount to be funded is $1,613 with 32 cents. At the top, it will say the date that we are processing this transaction. If there's a check number that you want to enter, just to show that this was a check that it was paid with, or a transaction number, invoice number, it can be entered here at the top. If there's no transaction, we can just leave it blank. So here I will go ahead and enter the amount that we received, which is $1,613 with 32 cents. Synchrony's discount is $32.92. If there is any additional fees that you need to enter, they can be entered here. If it's a shorter overage and you didn't receive the correct amount, you can always make the correction here. If the information is correct now, all we have to do is click at the bottom, Apply Entries. I will go ahead and click Apply Entries, and my funding has been processed. Here it will show what we just processed, which is the $1,632, which is the amount that was received, and the discount from Synchrony, which is $32.92. Here it will now show that the balance is at 0. We have completed doing our processing. I will go ahead and click Continue and continue with the next one. I will go ahead and click Edit, and this will display again the customer's account, the invoice, customer's name, the date it was processed, the sale, the finance company. If there is no account number and you wish to enter it, you can always enter it here. This is the approval number, the amount of the sale, which is $1,878 with 98 cents. There's a 3%, and the amount of the discount for this sale, it will be $56.37. So at the top, I will go ahead and enter the amount that I received, which is $1,822 with 61 cents. If there's any chance where the amount came in incorrectly and you're not sending it back to Synchrony for a correction, you can always correct it here. So in this case, let's say I received 61 cents less. I will go ahead and enter 1,822. I did not receive the 61 cents. So I will go ahead and apply the discount from Synchrony, which is $56.37. There's no additional fees, but I did not receive the 61 cents. So I will go ahead and put the shortage of my 61 cents. I will go ahead and enter minus 0.61. Oops, hold on. So it's minus 0.61 cents. Since I did not receive those 61 cents, I will go ahead and click Apply Entries. And this already shows that I received 1,822. I did not receive the 61 cents. Could have been that we submitted the incorrect amount. Synchrony's discount, which is $56.37. I received 61 cents less. This will zero out my sale. Okay. If it would have been the opposite, where I received 61 cents too much, instead of putting minus, I would put it as a plus right here. Since I've completed the funding, I will go ahead and click continue, and the process has been completed for that one. So just continue clicking edit till you finish doing the processing. I'm going to go ahead and click escape, and this will refresh on the main screen. Okay, if I want to see the ones that I just processed, I will go ahead and clear, put new at the top, last paid. I will go ahead and click and select today's date, click 2, and select again the same date, which is May 19. Click all, select paid. At the top, I will click finance company, select Synchrony, click OK, save, exit, click display results. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Select the sales from. So we'll go ahead and click January the 1st and select today's date. And then go ahead and click display results. So today I processed 3 sales that were funded. You will see the amount of your sale, the amount that was paid, and the date that it was last paid. If you want to edit this invoice and see it more, you can always select the account, click edit details, and you can view the sale that it was processed, the amount of the sale, the percentage that was discount, the dollar amount. It's at zero balance. You can always click where it says detail history details, and you can see the amount of the sale, the sales tax, the discount, the amount that it was paid, and the discount. Click escape and click continue. Click escape, and this is how you process the funding for a third-party finance company.